For my people, it's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to my channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Yeah man, today is going to be a quick review all about GYEON's Q2M foam. Yeah man guys, this is an awesome pre-wash solution. It's designed to use in your foam cannon, right guys? If your vehicle you're working on is soiled, pretty dirty, you want to take the time to foam it down first, make it break down all the grime, dirt, and then you can go in with your pH neutral soap, foam up, and then go in with your contact wash, right? So let me show you guys how I like to use it. I like to use it in my MTM foam cannon. Any foam cannon is good guys, but I designate my MTM for my pre-wash solutions these days, right? On the instructions here, it's an effective and safe pre-wash, does not strip, waxes, or affect coatings. That in particular is very important guys, right? Suppose you want to go and work on your client's vehicle and the client tells you, oh Chris, or detailer, I have a ceramic coating on my car, or it has a sealant or a wax. You want to go ahead and use a high quality pre-wash like this guys. This is safe for all waxes, sealants, and coatings. There are many high alkaline, strong soaps you can use out there guys. You guys might see my videos. I use Adam's strip wash a lot, right? That's to take off everything, basically to strip the paint. I use that when I know I'm going to add protection at the end of the service, right guys? For this, there's protection on the ride already. So you want to use this to break away everything, but it won't strip away the protection that's on the paint. This, I know it's formulated, it's very alkaline out the bottle. You dilute it anywhere from 5:1 all the way up to 15:1. I kind of stay in the middle, like around 10:1. It's kind of ballparkish, right? If your vehicle is not heavily soiled, I think 10:1 is a good dilution ratio for this product. I got the Tesla over there. It's pretty messy. It's been raining. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it's pretty grimy a little bit. So we're gonna foam up the ride, rinse it off, and show you guys the results. Yeah guys, very important to note, you don't want to use this product on hot panels in direct sunlight. Don't let it dry on the panel too guys, you know what I mean? Those are just guidelines. You should always be washing your car in the shade and thing, but you don't know, mobile, we don't always have that option. Today we have out the tent, but like I said, just make sure you're using it on cool panels. So we're gonna rinse down the car to help further cool the panel. You know what I mean guys, you can always, put your hand against the paint, do the touch test, you can tell if it's cool or not. It's pretty cool, so you don't know guys. This product, can even be potentially used as a contactless wash, meaning that you could probably foam up your ride, potentially, rinse off, and not even have to go in with a contact wash, right guys? That of course is, up to how dirty the car was to begin with. You know what I mean guys? But me personally, I always go in with a contact wash after, because you want to make sure you have excellent results for your clients, right guys? But on the move, especially my work truck, if I'm like pressed for time in between appointments or whatever, or I didn't get to, fully clean my ride the night before I have an appointment the next morning, I might just go in, with a quick pre-wash with the GYEON foam up, rinse off, and the car will look, pretty clean. So you don't know guys, let's foam up, let's get to it. All right guys, you already know foam time is the best time. Yeah guys, look how awesome this product foams up. It's getting a little bit runny now because out here it's really hot, but it foams up great. And let me stress guys, you don't want to leave this on the panels for more than, I would say, just a few minutes guys. On the instructions, I believe it says like 2 to 3 minutes. So be aware of that. Don't let it dwell too long, right? So right now it's working, it's breaking up all that grime. Like I said, point is to break up all that grime in a safe way. It won't strip any waxes, sealants, or coatings. So once you rinse this off, you go in again with your pH neutral soap, foam up, and then do your contact wash. Clean Car Chris said that. Mad. Pretty much the whole gist of it is, once you dilute it, put it in your foam cannon, and once you're spraying water out your foam cannon also, that's extra water added, so it further dilutes, right? So once it hits the paint, it's going to be pH neutral. That's why it won't damage any waxy sealants or coatings that might be on the car. Awesome product. I would definitely recommend it to any detailer out there, any DIY, any car enthusiast. So yeah man, you guys out there, let me know what pre-wash you use and why you like it, what dilution ratio and so forth. Q2M foam, awesome pre-wash treatment. If you guys are interested, I'm going to leave a link to it in the description below. So you don't know guys, it's your boy Clean Car Chris, every Wednesday, 4 p.m, something brand new. Keep it locked. Bless.